Yeah, so I had a couple nice things happen since just a couple days ago, since the Habits webinar. Actually, during the Habits webinar, someone was talking about the movement of the world, as you're walking. And just as she was speaking about it, and then you were speaking about it, just imagining it, it helped my vision in that moment. So yeah, it's like I feel like I should be using my imagination more also, like even when my eyes are closed, to help my vision. And also another practice I just kind of did yesterday, and I sort of made up a little bit, is the swinging, where I was looking at the eye chart and just going left to right, back and forth. And then I also decided to do it up and down, and then diagonally. And that also improved my vision. I never really did the diagonals, and I feel like it's a little bit harder to do one of the diagonals. So I think, I should spend a little more time with that one. But yeah, that was a fun practice, and also works when I imagine it. So yeah, so those are my success stories.